Good morning, students. Today, in our English class, we are going to start the next lesson of English grammar, lesson number 7, adjectives of comparison. Dear students, first, let us understand what is an adjective. The adjective is a word that qualifies someone or something. So let's read the definition. An adjective describes the quality of someone. That means a person's quality or something. That means a thing's quality. That is called positive degree. Okay. When we compare two people, things or animals, we use comparative degree. Dear students, when we describe the quality of someone, okay, or a thing, that is positive degree. And when we compare two things together or two persons together or animals, at that time we use comparative degree. The next is when we compare three or more people, things or animals, we use the superlative degree. My dear students, so here with the definition of adjective, we have three new terms: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree when we are not comparing, okay, we just describes a person, the quality of a person. And when we compare two things or two persons, it is comparative degree. And when we compare three or more people, that is superlative degree. Understood? Let us understand their uses, okay, and form and the example. So here we have a great table on your screen now, that is representing and degree of comparison, then form, then uses and then example. Let us understand positive degree. Positive degree, as we have already studied, that uh, it is to describe the quality of a person, thing, animals. Okay, so let us understand it. It's a form. Adjective is in its ordinary form, means it is just normal form, right? Like yes, uses used to talk about one person or thing. Okay, it is used to talk about one person only. Example: Mr. Akash is a clever man. Mr. Akash is a clever man. Clever is written with red letter, red ink. Okay. So this clever is an adjective that is used to describe Akash. Understood? I think it is clear to you. Next we have comparative degree, and let us see its form, how it is used. Comparative degree: for adjectives one or two syllables, we add er. Okay, in comparative degree, with one or two syllable we add er. And another form is for adjectives with three or more syllables. Adjectives with three or more syllables, we add more. I think it's clear to you. And how it is used? When it is used, it It is used to compare two people, animals, things. Let us understand with the example. This material is softer than that one. Okay, so here soft is an adjective, and here we added er with softer. Okay, so it became softer. I think it is clear. That is comparative degree. Next example for another adjective, when we add more. Okay, this painting is more appealing than the other one. Okay, more appealing. So this more word denotes the comparative degree. I think it is understood to you. Let's move on to the next one. Superlative degree. Superlative degree, yes. How, which form it is used in? For adjectives with one or two syllables, we add est. Okay, one or two syllable. But when we have three or more syllables, we add most with that. Okay, and yes, when it is used to compare three or more people, animals, things. Now the example, Vinay is the smartest. Okay, here you can see easily smart, smarter, smartest. Okay, smart is for positive, smarter is for comparative, and smartest is for superlative. Understood? Now next example, we witnessed the most wonderful scenery we have ever seen. Most wonderful. So here before wonderful we added most. Understood? So when we have three or more syllable, how many syllables are there in wonderful? 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Right? 3 syllables. That's why we added most before wonderful. I hope it is clear to you, my dear students. Yes, dear students. Now let us see some of the example of these adjectives and their various forms. Here we have the table. Yes, positive, comparative and superlative. The first is sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Young, younger, youngest. High, higher, highest. Old, older, oldest. White, whiter, whitest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Large, larger, largest. Safe, safer, safest. Fine, finer, finest. Easy, easier, easiest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Fat, fatter, fattest. difficult, 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 that means 3 syllable, right? So here we will add more difficult, most difficult. In the same way, important, important. We'll add here more important and most important. Then bed, my dear student, you have to always remember it has something different. Okay, bad, worse, worst, much, more. I'm sorry dear children, it's a more. Okay, much, more, most, late, later, last, good, better, best. So dear students, it was the list of some adjectives and their forms. So dear students, we have seen the example and the definition of comparison of degree. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask in the Google Meet class. Thank you.